Welcome back to the Summer Rain channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make two lip scrubs. I'm going to show you how to make the mango and the brown sugar and vanilla. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every week. The first lip scrub we're going to make is the mango. Let's go over our ingredients. We have a tablespoon of sugar, or about 17 grams, a teaspoon of jojoba oil, or 3 grams, and just a dollop of mica powder and 8 drops of mango flavoring. So we're going to go ahead and add the sugar, which is our exfoliant. Next we add our jojoba oil. Now jojoba oil is very moisturizing and it's easily absorbed into the skin. Now I'm just going to add 8 drops of mango flavor. Now the word flavoring here is kind of misleading because it does not have a flavor, it's just the scent. And we just mix that up. And then we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit of mica. And then just mix everything up very well. And there's your lip scrub. The second lip scrub we're going to make is the brown sugar and vanilla. Okay, so let's take a look at our ingredients. We have a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of olive oil, and then I just put some vanilla in a little dropper to make it easier to get into our lip scrub. So we go through the same process. We add our brown sugar. Next, our olive oil. For this lip scrub, I wanted to find things that most people would have right in their kitchen. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla. And there's your lip scrub.